Alright folks, let's dive right into creating standard operating procedures, or SOPs, in the world of CSV, that's computer system validation, specifically tailored for the pharma and medical industries. First things first, what exactly is an SOP? Simply put, it's a detailed, written instruction to achieve uniformity in the performance of a specific function. In our case, we're talking about SOPs for validating computer systems that handle everything from patient data to drug manufacturing processes. Step 1. Define the scope. Clearly outline what the SOP will cover. Are you validating a new software application, or perhaps a system update? Be precise. This helps in setting the boundaries and understanding the extent of validation required. Next up, Step 2. Assemble a cross-functional team. You'll need input from IT, quality assurance, regulatory affairs, and end users. This collaborative approach ensures that all perspectives are considered and the SOP is comprehensive. Step 3. Draft the procedure. Break down the validation process into manageable chunks. Start with preparation steps like risk assessment and GXP impact analysis. Then move on to more detailed steps such as installation qualification, IQ, operational qualification, OQ, and performance qualification, PQ. Step 4. Include references. Make sure to cite relevant guidelines such as FDA's 21 CFR, Part 11, or EMA's Annex 11. These references act as benchmarks for compliance and provide a framework for your SOP. Step 5. Review and approval. Get your draft reviewed by all stakeholders. Address any feedback and make necessary revisions. Once finalized, the SOP should be approved by authorized personnel to ensure it meets all regulatory and organizational standards. Step 6. Training and implementation. Train your team on the new SOP. Make sure everyone involved understands their roles and responsibilities. This step is crucial for the successful implementation of the SOP. Last but not least, Step 7. Periodic review and updates. The pharma and medical fields are always evolving, and so should your SOPs. Schedule regular reviews and updates to keep them current and effective. And there you have it, a streamlined approach to creating SOPs in CSV for the pharma and medical industries. Remember, a well-crafted SOP not only ensures compliance but also enhances efficiency and quality. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Catch you guys in the next one.